Saving audio tracks in Instagram will help you make Reels more efficiently. Hi, I'm Wonderful Lida, a digital course video producer based in Vancouver, Canada. I teach video production to service providers so that they can film once to teach many. If you have a course idea and want to learn how to film yourself, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have new videos out every Wednesday. To get started, you're going to want to search for audio tracks within your Reels. So just open up your Reels and start going through your Reels until you come up with an audio track that you like. So say for example, I love this audio track. I can't even hear it, so I'm not sure what it is. And if I look here at the bottom, I see an arrow pointing up. That means that the audio track is trending. So it's getting popularity and more people are using it, so it's a good track to use. If I click on the track itself on the bottom there, it's going to take me to this screen, which is going to allow me to save my audio track by clicking there. It's also going to allow me to scroll through the Reels that include that audio track. This is great because it's going to give me ideas of what other people have done and just inspire me to how I can create my reel a little bit better. So say for example, I'm ready to film. I could start using this audio track right now. So I just go to use track and it's gonna have it already saved in here for me so that I can just start using it. I can start doing my reel to this audio track that I don't even know what it is, but yeah, it's fun. Okay, so that's how you use it immediately. But say I'm not in the filming mode and I don't wanna film my reel quite yet. I want to get ready, so let's exit out of there. When I feel like I want to be on camera, I have energy, I want to create some reels, then I can access my saved reels. So let's go, you go to your profile, and then within your profile, you'll see the hamburger sign up top. Click on that, and in your menu, you're gonna see saved. So select saved. It's gonna bring you to your saved album. So here you can see is your audio track. So you can click on your audio tracks and all your saved audio tracks will appear. So you can click on that audio, you can go back to your references, and you can just use audio. Say I've used this audio and I no longer want it saved into my audio tracks, I just clicked the save button, and it's no longer saved into my audio tracks. You see it's no longer appearing there. So there you have it. Now you know how to save your audio tracks so that when you're ready to start creating reels, they're all ready, waiting for you, and you can just have fun and create reels. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, or better yet, leave me a comment below. I have new videos out each and every Wednesday. Until next time, peace!